The Comprehensive Guide to Summer Grapevine Management. Introduction: The nature of the vine. The grapevine is one of the most ancient and fascinating plants cultivated by humanity. However, a vine is naturally a climbing liana. Its biological instinct is not to produce delicious fruit for humans, but to grow as tall and as wide as possible to reach the sunlight in a forest. In a vineyard setting, we must intervene to transform this wild energy into high-quality harvest. This intervention is known as green pruning or canopy management. It is the most critical task during the growing season to ensure the health of the plant and the excellence of the fruit. 1. The principle of energy balance. The first and most important reason for green pruning is the distribution of nutrients. A grapevine has a limited amount of energy produced by photosynthesis. Vegetative versus reproductive growth. If the vine is left unpruned, it will spend 80% of its energy on growing new green shoots and large leaves. By performing green pruning, we manually redirect this energy. Sugar accumulation. When we remove non-fruitful branches, the carbohydrates produced in the leaves are sent directly to the grape clusters. This is how we achieve high sugar levels, measured as Brix. Without this process, grapes remain watery and sour because the plant is too busy feeding its unnecessary branches. 2. The power of sunlight. Sunlight is the primary engine for flavor. Grapes that grow in the deep shade of a thick canopy will never reach their full potential. Flavor chemistry. Sunlight triggers the breakdown of methoxypyrazines, compounds that give grapes an unpleasant, green, or grassy taste. Exposure to light replaces these with fruity and floral aromas. Color development. For red and black grape varieties, sunlight is essential for the synthesis of anthocyanins. These are the pigments responsible for the deep, rich colors of the fruit. Without enough light, red grapes stay a dull pink, and their market value drops significantly. 3. Airflow and disease control. In many regions, humidity is the greatest enemy of the vineyard. A dense canopy acts like a tent, trapping moisture and warm air inside. Fungal prevention. Diseases like powdery mildew and downy mildew thrive in stagnant air. By thinning the shoots and removing excess leaves, we create wind tunnels within the vine. This allows the fruit zone to dry quickly after rain or morning dew. Spray efficiency. When a farmer applies organic or protective treatments, the liquid must touch the fruit and the inner stems. In an unmanaged vine, the thick leaves act as an umbrella, blocking the treatment from reaching the areas that need it most. Green pruning ensures 100% coverage. 4. Managing the microclimate. Each vine has its own microclimate. Through canopy management, we can manipulate this environment to suit our needs. Temperature regulation. While grapes need sun, the clusters can also get sunburned if the leaves are removed too aggressively in extremely hot climates. Professional pruning involves leaving just enough dappled light to protect the berries while still allowing them to breathe. Bud fertility for next year. This is a secret many beginners don't know. The buds for next year's crop are formed inside the vine right now. If these buds are kept in total darkness, they will be infertile. Providing light to the base of the shoots today ensures a bountiful harvest a year from now. 5. Uniformity and harvest efficiency. A professional vineyard is defined by its consistency. Even ripening, in an unpruned vine, the grapes at the top might be ripe while the grapes hidden in the middle are still hard and green. Green pruning levels the playing field. It ensures that every cluster reaches peak maturity at the same time. Labor efficiency. When it comes time to harvest, speed is everything. It is much easier and faster for workers to see and pick the fruit when the vine is clean and organized. This reduces labor costs and prevents physical damage to the grapes during the picking process. 6. The structural longevity of the vine. Pruning is also about the long-term health of the plant. Weight management. A vine carrying too much foliage and fruit becomes heavy. During a summer storm or high winds, the physical weight can snap the trellis wires or even break the main trunk of the vine. Wood ripening. By stopping the green growth in late summer, we help the remaining wood to harden or lignify. This prepares the vine for the cold winter months, preventing the plant from freezing and dying when temperatures drop. Summary for audio narrative. To summarize, green pruning is not just a tradition, it is a scientific necessity. We prune to redirect energy from leaves to fruit, improve flavor through sunlight exposure, prevent disease by increasing airflow, secure the future by feeding the next year's buds, ensure quality so that every single grape is as sweet and healthy as possible. Whether you are a hobbyist with one vine or a professional managing thousands of hectares, the principle remains the same: a managed vine is a productive vine. By taking the time to carefully prune during the summer, you are guaranteeing a harvest that is superior in taste, color, and health.